Honorable Chairman of this program, Janab Muhammad Abdullah, President of Dhaka Ideal Citizen Madrasa, our chief guest, Professor Mia Muhammad Nurul Haq, Chairman of Bangladesh Madrasa Education Board, our special guest, Dr. Muhammad Khalidul Rahman Malani, Principal of Kamil Milan Kamil Madrasa. Our special guest is Janab Iskandar Ali Halodar, Director General of Bangladesh Kindergarten Association. The Honorable Principal, Teachers, and Directors of DICM, respected guardians, beloved classmates, and their audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
It is my great pleasure to welcome you all to this scholarship institution and prize-giving ceremony for the winners of various competitions. Today, I'm honored to stand before you to speak about a very special institution, Dhaka Ideal Citizen Madrasa. This madrasa is not just an education institution, it is a true center for building ideal human beings. Here, not only Islamic and religious studies are taught, but modern subjects like science, mathematics, English, technology, and general knowledge are also given equal importance. The aim and purpose of our madrasa is the integration of modern and Islamic education. This approach provides quality education and helps in building honest, competent, and Allah-fearing citizens who serve the country and the nation, thereby helping contribute both this world and the hereafter. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created humankind and His representative on earth. And Allah says in the Holy Quran, وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً. Behold, Allah said to the angels, I will create my representative on earth. Our great leader, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Ala kullukum ra'in wa kullukum mas'ulun 'an ra'iyatihi." Be careful, each of you is responsible, and each one of you will be questioned about his flock. To fulfill our duty to Allah, we must acquire knowledge. We know that the first word of the Holy Quran is equal, which means read. And our reading and seeking of knowledge should be for the sake of Allah alone. My parents admitted to this madrasa so that I could learn my duties to Allah, to my parents, and to others. Therefore, I feel proud to introduce myself as a madrasa student. Thank you all.